Look, you're my best friend, so don't take this the wrong way. But in 20 years, if you're still living here, coming over my house to watch the Patriots game, still working construction, I'll fucking kill you. That's not a threat.
What?
That's a fact. I'll fucking kill you. What the fuck are you talking about? You owe it to me. 'Cause tomorrow I'm gonna wake up and I'll be 50. And I'll still be doing this shit. And that's all right. That's fine. I mean, you're sitting on a winning lottery ticket. You're too much of a pussy to cash it in. And that's bullshit.
So it's like the parable in the Bible, the men by the talents, one has 1, one had 3, one had 5. And at the end, the whole story is the man with 5 had 10, the one with 3 had 6, and the one with 1 just kept that 1 talent. And so I think you do owe it to yourself. If you are born with a lot of talent or skill, or you have an opportunity, you owe it to yourself and others to use those talents, because some people aren't born as lucky. So it doesn't matter if you start here, or there. It's just about being the absolute best you can be. And that's where the growth and that's where the fulfillment comes from.